Today we're making 2-ingredient fudge. So I'm using 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and you want to place them in a bowl. And I am only using half of the can of the sweetened condensed milk. This is a 14 ounce can. I am only using 7 ounces of it. So you want to pour your condensed milk into your bowl with your chocolate chips. Now we're going to mix all this together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to place this into the microwave for 1 minute. While you're waiting for that to heat up, you want to take a pan. I've already done this. I took about an, 8x8 pan, and you want to line it with tin foil and spray it very lightly with some cooking spray. So that'll keep that fudge from sticking. Okay, it's been 1 minute. We're going to remove our chocolate chips and our sweetened condensed milk. As you can see, it's very easy to mix. We're just going to blend this really well. This starts to set up very quickly, so you want to mix it pretty quickly, and then it should look like that. And we're going to pour it into our prepared pan. And now you just want to spread it so it's even. Make a thin layer or a thick layer. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to taste like fudge. And I just spread it out like that in a circle. It doesn't have to be a square. There are no laws when it comes to fudge. Now I'm going to take a little bit of kosher salt and just sprinkle it on top to balance out the sweetness. And we're going to place this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And when we come back, we'll slice it up. And we're just going to slice it into pieces. After you cut your fudge into pieces, you can get a pretty little plate or, I don't know, something. Put your little pieces on your plate. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you try this. There you go, 2-ingredient fudge. Let's taste it. Oh my God, that is so good. Holy moly. Have a great day.